This confounding issue of iPhone contacts missing names can occur without warning, even if you haven't recently updated your device. Okay, we'll delve into the various situations that can trigger the disappearance of contact names on your iPhone, and the possible solutions that can set things right. Part 2. Fix iPhone contacts missing names with 14 tricks. Trick 1. Turn on the Show All Contacts option. Trick 2. Add Remove Email Account. Trick 3. Check contacts on Google account. Trick 4. Reset network settings on iPhone. Trick 5. Restart or force restart your iPhone. Trick 6. Refresh contacts database. Trick 6. Refresh contacts database. Trick 7. Log out and into iCloud account. Trick 8. Verify iCloud contacts sync. Trick 9. Disable and enable short name. Trick 10. Switch massages off and on. Trick 11. Ask Siri for help. Trick 12. Verify your SIM card slot. Trick 13. Ask Apple support for assistance. Trick 14. Repair your iPhone with a dedicated tool. Part 3. Recover disappeared contacts and names on iPhone without backup. iPhone contact names may disappear even without accidental deletion, often after iOS updates. In such cases, consider using Mobican Doctor for iOS, a trusted third-party tool. How to restore iPhone contacts missing names with Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Establish a connection between your iPhone and computer. Step 2. Preview and pick the missing iPhone contacts. Step 3. Recover the iPhone contacts with missing names.